यू बीन टू बलानी ना?
जी।
जब वहाँ जाते हैं तो आप देखते हैं कि उनके घर से जब एंटर करते हैं
जी।
बलाली में तो देयर इज दैट वेलकम
करेक्ट वी नोटिस दैट वी पोस्टेड दैट ऑन ट्विटर एंड एवरीथिंग
जिस पे उनके चारों के नाम लिखे हुए हैं कि उनका
कविता मधु एंड दिनेश
हाँ का ऋतु एंड दिनेश का गांव आपका स्वागत करता है
जी।
आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट इज नीडेड आज and which is why I said कि a film like Dangal is relevant क्योंकि ये एक बहुत बड़े लेवल पे चेंज होना ज़रूरी है दिस माइंडसेट जो हमारे लाइंस भी हैं कि पहलवानी तो सिर्फ छोरे करें एंड देन अमृतसर सेज कि हमारी छोरियाँ छोरों से कम है that whole thing ना it has to be drilled into people's mind not just for wrestling, not just for a particular sport, but for everything, for a general perception that has to be changed, and which is why I feel कि बहुत जो ये कहानी है जिस टाइम पे आ रही है
जी
वो ज़रूरी है, करेक्ट है उसके लिए क्योंकि हो रहा है डेफिनेटली देयर इज अ चेंज. आई मीन मैं अपनी लाइफ में देखूँ तो पिछले 20 साल में मतलब जब when I passed out of college and now there is a lot of change but still we have a long way to go and ये सोच के कि हरियाणा से ये लड़कियां निकली और you know they are representing our country and they are winning medals for the country and today people are talking about wrestling and people are interested कि oh what are we doing in Olympics, oh okay so there are female wrestlers, oh wow okay so people are sitting and watching Sakshi Malik fight.
Absolutely.
You know, this is the change, and this is the change. I hope Dangal would be able to strengthen further.
No, absolutely. You know, in fact, we went to the village and it is remarkable that now they have become so successful and everything is there. But the fact is that when that man must have started.
Can you imagine?
Effort it must have taken for the entire family.
Yeah.
Considering the sort of surroundings you are living in, and then you are having your daughters, and they are the way they are being trained, and it must have been like one hell of a task.
Yeah.
One hell of a task. Absolutely. Okay. We have a few fan questions. We'll come to that shortly. But something about Nitesh Tiwari. Right? It is something that he has been living in the last 5-6 years now.
You know, when I did my audition, Nitesh sir wasn't there.
Right.
But yeah, he was part of the creative team for बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं के promos.
Correct.
Those 4 promos.
So many things about you and Mr. Ram Kapoor. People love your entire chemistry.
The pairing,
yeah.
So when I met Nitesh sir directly in one of the readings.
Okay.
So he was not there for my audition. I did the scene with Amir sir. यहीं पे बाहर हॉल में इधर ही किया था. And I met Nitesh sir when we did a combined reading for the entire cast. And Nitesh sir read out the script. And you know, when he was reading out the script, he must have done it so many times. You know, he is part of the writing team, and he must have lived that story for so many years.
Absolutely.
Narrated it to so many people and everything, and yet when he was narrating he was reading out the script, it was so full of emotions. You know, his voice would break, and you could feel that how, you know, the story is running in his blood.
Absolutely.
He's so involved in the film, and even when he gave me the character brief, it was here. I was sitting here, and he was sitting right in front of me, and it was so precise. It was so precise that, you know, I just had to follow that. So when I went on the set, I had no this thing that I will do a scene this way or anything. I had Nitesh sir's brief at the back of my mind, and before the scene he would give some instructions, and I would say, sir, so what is going on in the mind of this character, and he would tell me the emotion behind the lines कि ये feel कर रही है वो, और बिल्कुल उस पे मैंने काम किया है.
बिल्कुल.
So whatever you see in the film, it is all Nitesh sir, because पूरा मैंने उनकी गाइडेंस पे, उनके इंस्ट्रक्शंस पे अपने कैरेक्टर को अपना बिल्कुल दिमाग में लगाया.
Right.
बिल्कुल उन्होंने जैसा कंसीव किया था वैसा मैंने कर दिया.
No, that is brilliant actually.
And he's so good. He's so
very
so
solid.
good, you know, and it is so wonderful to work with him because he gives you your space. मतलब ऐसा कभी मैंने तो उनको कभी ऐसा देखा ही नहीं कि वो कुछ बोल भी रहे हों या कुछ उनको पसंद नहीं आया तो भी वो एकदम इतने अच्छे से समझा के करते हैं ना, that you feel so comfortable that automatically your best comes out because you have the freedom.
Absolutely, definitely. Okay, and now Sakshi ji, we'll come to the fan questions shortly, but before that we'll have a rapid fire.
Oh.
Okay, so rapid fire with Sakshi. What is the biggest change in Bollywood comparing it to television?
The content. There is a fixed graph when it comes to films. In television, the story may change overnight.
Yeah.
So you don't know if you're doing one scene tonight. For tomorrow's episode, it will be a continuation or it will be a totally something
depending
else.
on the depending on the reactions from people.
Yeah.
That's, okay. Apart from Dangal, which is your all-time favorite Aamir Khan film?
Apart from Dangal, Tare Zameen Par.
Okay. Who is the perfect Dhakad girl of real Mahavir Singh?
The real and real together.
But in Bollywood, if you have to.
One from Bollywood is enough, na?
No, but opposite Aamir in someone from Bollywood, if you have to.
This is. No, I think Aamir sir is enough.
Okay. All right. If you have the chance to travel back to time and star in any Aamir Khan star opposite him, which film will it be? My God. Okay. One word for Aamir Khan's super transformation in Dangal, physical transformation.
Amazing.
One thing about Aamir Khan you think no one knows.
He has I don't know if people know about it or not. What I have noticed is that he has this childlike enthusiasm, you know, which you can see when he's at work and even otherwise, because he takes a lot of keen interest in finding out things and exploring them, discovering them. अच्छा ये ऐसे क्यों होता है, ये क्यों होता है, and that I could see even when he's working and even otherwise. He takes a lot of interest and he's very curious to know things.
Right. I was reading somewhere that in Malali when he simply gorged the food and even he made sure that you eat as well and all the white butter and all those things. So it was like something that people have not seen Aamir Khan. Okay. Okay. A film you saw recently and loved it to the core.
Lately, I haven't seen any films, but I saw Dangal screening and I loved it.
Apart from Dangal, ma'am.
Then तो recently अभी time ही नहीं मिला देखने
No
का.
problem. Okay. Last question: will Dangal be the most loved film of 2016?
I hope so. I really hope so.
And do you believe in all these box office numbers? People are saying 350 crores.
I'm bad with numbers, so.
Okay. All right. What sort of offers have you started getting? Suppose the promos have come. None. But you'll be keen on doing more Bollywood?
I don't know. Let's see.
Okay, so Sakshi, we've taken a few fan questions, so let's take a few fan questions as well. This is Navbahar Sharma from Ghaziabad. Was Sakshi intimidated while working with Aamir?
No, not at all.
Okay, this is Yashvi Cheda. Why don't you join any social media to directly connect with your fans? I've been trying to convince him for some time.
I don't know. I just, I mean, I'm thankful to all of you for all your love and everything, but we are always surrounded by so many people. Our job is such that as it is, there is very little time that we get with our families and friends and with oneself. तो मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि like I said, I need to do a lot of catching up with myself.
जी.
अब उसमें मैं माफ़ी चाहती हूँ कि आप लोगों को नहीं टाइम ऐसा दे पाती कि मैं आपसे कनेक्टेड रहूँ, लेकिन बट हाँ मतलब कनेक्टेड तो हूँ ही, एक तरह से पता तो लग ही जाता है.
कोई उम्मीद नहीं देना चाह रही, प्लीज उम्मीद दे दें कि हाँ भाई मैं सोचूंगी बाद में. I'll think about it.
झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए.
No, I think you should seriously think about it. Honestly, you should, because you'll have a great time.
मुझे ऐसे क्या लगता है ना कि करते तो हम सब फिर अपने मन की हैं.
जी.
तो फिर इतना सुनना भी क्यों, मतलब सबकी सुन के फिर करना तो अपने मन की ही है. और कई बार ऐसा होता है कि आपके थॉट्स ना दूसरे के रंग में रंग जाते हैं. तो वो चाहे आपकी तारीफ हो, चाहे आपका क्रिटिसिज्म हो, कुछ भी हो, जब बहुत लार्ज नंबर में या कुछ ऐसे उसमें होता है ना, तो आप यू स्टार्ट बिलीविंग दैट. वो मैं कर नहीं पाती, और मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि आई वुड स्टिल वांट कि जो मेरी इंस्टिंक्ट मुझे बताती है मैं उसे फॉलो करूं, और वो जो रास्ता दिखाती है उस पर चुपचाप चलती रहूं, तो शायद मेरी भलाई उसमें.
क्या बात है.
मतलब नो
Okay.
ऑफेंस टू एनीवन, आई
Right.
मीन यू ऑल आर लवली पीपल.
Right.
But
Okay, and now this is Prateek from Sydney, Australia. From Daily Soap to 24 to Dangal, what was the process to prepare for different types of roles?
कोई प्रोसेस क्या, मतलब आई थिंक इट वाज ऑल डेस्टिनी. जैसे जैसे होती गई चीज़ें वैसे वैसे मैं उसमें ढलती गई. When कहानी घर घर की happened, I had no clue that it would go on for 8 years. So I was living that for that part of my life. Then when 24 happened, I thought it was something totally different. Yes, a lot of preparation went into that because it was something I had never attempted earlier in my life. So, but thankfully I had my father to help me with all the preparation because he's a CBI guy. So, and with Dangal, of course, the team around me, इतने बढ़िया director, our language teacher Sunita ji, who helped me learn the language, the nuances, and then of course such wonderful actors to work with. तो काम इतनी आसानी से हो गया, पता नहीं चला.
Okay, now considering that when Kahani Gar Gar Ki was going on, with Kyunki Saab Ki Kare Dhoti was going on as well at the same time. Have you got offers from political parties to join? And did you at any point of time think of being a
हाँ, इक्का दुक्का कभी आ जाता है कॉल ऐसा,
Okay.
पर मेरे बस की नहीं है.
Right. Okay. All right. This is Amir from Germany. What have you learned from Amir Khan? And there's Akbar Ali from Nagpur. What was your experience? How was your experience working with Amir Khan?
So the experience was very inspiring, क्योंकि हर चीज़ पे ध्यान देते हैं आमिर सर, सिर्फ एक्टिंग पे नहीं लेकिन पूरे प्रोसेस पे. एंड ही एंश्योर्स कि सब कुछ, मतलब सबका तालमेल एकदम अच्छा हो. सो जब वो काम करते हैं तो वो उस टाइम के लिए टोटली उस पर फोकस्ड होते हैं. कोई डिस्ट्रैक्शन नहीं, कुछ नहीं. और उनके लेवल पे पहुंच के इतना ज़्यादा फोकस होना और इतना डेडिकेशन और इतनी सिंसियरिटी देख के लगता है कि that is the reason, why he is Amir Khan, and that is something I learned from him and I got inspired by.
Okay, you've already answered this, but I'll just read out the question anyway. Harshida from Ahmedabad. After Dangal, are you planning to do more movies? Are you reading any scripts? So पत्ते नहीं खोल रही हैं. Sakshi ji.
अभी वो वेब सीरीज है ना?
Yeah, that you're having.
Yeah.
Right. So she's talking about movies. She's
अच्छा,
talking
हाँ.
about, yeah. Are you planning to do any more movies? That you're doing. Web series.
प्लान तो किसी चीज का है ही नहीं.
क्या बात?
अभी तो I'm planning to travel.
Okay.
So yeah.
All right. This is Mana Apple. This is an interesting question. Was this an awesome launch, or she would have wanted to running around trees type movie for her debut? This is interesting.
See, things happen when they have to happen, and I'm happy that they're happening now, and that I didn't have to run around the trees.
She wanted to camera se काम होता है.
Ah, yes. Yeah, so if it was opposite Amir sir, then probably.
जी. This is Nadhu from Maldives.
I think the same girl who
Same
sent the
girl.
message.
Yeah, but it's the question is interesting. Any particular moment from the sets of Dangal that you'll always remember?
There is, but I can't reveal right now because I can't. It'll.
Acha.
I mean, there lots of them. The first shot.
Mhm.
First shot itself was like I can still feel the vibes
Definitely.
when
When I think the pictures came out as
the
well.
Mahurat shot,
I will show the pictures.
because that is the shot when Mahavir Singh Amir sir decides.
No, absolutely. Okay, this is Gayatri. I'll need around 5-7 minutes more. Yeah, we're done. These are interesting actually, trust me. You said it?
All done.
Okay, this is Gayatri Runde. How did she prepare for the role? From Mumbai, Gayatri Runde. How did she prepare for the role?
So I think we've answered that
Mhm.
largely. There were
Okay, I think we will take another one as well. This is Gayatri Runde once again. From Mumbai, her favorite song from Dangal.
the title track. Though I also love Gilheri and I also love Naina and Dhakad and Hanikarak. I have got favorite lines from each song. So
Which can you share a few? I think Hanikarak has some amazing lines. We were listening to it before you came.
yeah.
It has some amazing lines actually.
yeah. हानिकारक से वो तुझसे बेहतर हिंदी फिल्मों के खलनायक है. That's my favorite line. Then in गिलहरियाँ there is this line जो जायका मनमानियों का है, वो कैसा रस भरा है.
क्या बात है.
Then of course there is the title track which is my favorite, and oh, it is so inspiring, that song. And that line, भेड़ की हाहाकार के बदले
Yeah.
शेर की एक दहाड़ के प्यारे में
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
And Naina also, there is one beautiful line where it says, जो धूप सेकते थे छाँव ढूंढते हैं. Naina.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Okay, this is a good question as well. Kanad Roy, I don't know somewhere. Now, Kanad Roy from Durgapur, West Bengal. Ma'am, what do you try to do to stay calm, happy, and peaceful?
Surrender to the universe.
Okay, this is Kiran Mai from Hyderabad. What is her dream role? Do you have a dream role?
ओ भाई वो तो इतनी फिर एंडलेस सी लिस्ट हो जाएगी. सो ड्रीम रोल, आई डोंट नो, नॉट दैट आई वांट टू डू दैम बिकॉज द वे दे हैव बीन डन, आई डोंट थिंक एनीवन कैन डू देम, बट दोज आर द रोल्स that I have liked and that have stayed with me. Is of course Wahida ji's role in Guide.
Hmm?
Then Charulata,
Wow.
Satyajit Ray,
Wow.
that character.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so fascinated by that character.
Hmm.
Then Choti Bahu, Sahib Bibi aur
जी जी बिल्कुल. Okay.
and yes, but if you were to ask me that what is the role that I want to portray, I think I'm too old for that, but there is this novel by Premchand ji,
Hmm.
Gaban.
हाँ.
उसमें जो मेन प्रोटैगनिस्ट है जालपा, जिसकी
Okay.
वजह से वो पूरा होता है,
जी जी.
बड़ा ही मजेदार कैरेक्टर है.
But while I was talking to you, I just felt when you spoke about college 2 years back. So I was about to say, maybe I did not say, but it seemed that you were fresh out of the college. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं that कहीं से भी that you are too old to anything. Seriously. Okay, we've also taken a few questions from Facebook. We'll quickly take them.
Okay.
This is Rahul Sharma. Are you planning to do TV serial after Dangal?
कुछ अच्छा होगा तो मीडियम should not be a barrier.
Absolutely. This is Somira. Which is your favorite dialogue from Dangal?
हारना नहीं है गीता.
Okay. Ravinder, how much time did you take to learn Haryanvi?
So I had 5 classes with Sunita ji
जी
on consecutive days
जी
and 2 readings, and then I recorded the lines in her voice on my phone, and I would keep listening to that whenever I would get time, play it
जी.
in my car during my breaks and all, to get the sound correct.
राइट
So I would just listen to it, and I would internally say it, and sometimes amuse my staff also by saying these lines.
can you please say that line that एक साल के लिए भूल जाके तेरी को माँ भी है
हाँ, तो then you have to say कि you'll say
I'll
the
say
पहले वाला
that, I'll say
line.
that, I'll say that.
हाँ, okay.
कि माँ ये पहलवानी से किसी तरह से बचा ले
1 साल के लिए भूल जो कि थारी कोई माँ है. No, it's very interesting because वो हरियाणवी में ना ह का साउंड इतना होता नहीं है.
जी
It's not hum, it's तो
जी.
वो ध्यान रखना. ल भी ना थोड़ा सा साउंड इज डिफरेंट, तो बहुत बारीक है. You have to really know the language to understand this, and I think I would totally give it to Sunita ji for working on these nuances and helping us with the language.
जी ओके अंकित शर्मा साक्षी जी अगर कहानी घर घर की वो स्टाफ और दंगल
टफ तो नहीं था यार. फिजिकल मतलब अगर काम देखा जाए तो कहानी घर घर की 8 साल चला था, तो ऑब्वियसली उसमें मेहनत ज्यादा लगी बिकॉज अरसा ज्यादा था.
जी
बट टफ तो नहीं था यार कुछ भी.
जी okay this is Ayam Kapoor. You already in fact answered that, but just mention the question once again. Hello ma'am, what was your reaction when you were offered the role in Dangal? That you already answered. Neha, when you work on big screen do you feel pressurized?
नहीं, काम थोड़ी अलग होता है. बिटवीन एक्शन एंड कट you have to give your 100% no matter what the medium is.
Okay, this is Fawad Khan. Hopefully not Fawad Khan that you know. Most memorable moment from the set of Dangal. That I think you also mentioned.
Yeah.
That you already. I think the questions have been more or less you've already answered them. So fantastic. Any final thoughts on Dangal, Sakshi ji, that you would like to share with our
I think
audience?
ये when you watch this film, तो आप ये मत सोचिए कि ये सिर्फ मतलब इन लड़कियों की कुश्ती, इन लड़कियों की कुश्ती की कहानी है, मतलब दंगल की कहानी है. आई थिंक इट्स मच मोर देन दैट. ये हमारे विचारों की, हमारे आई एम सॉरी अगर मैं ऐसे साउंड कर रही हूँ थोड़ा, लेकिन
हरियाणवी बोल सकती हैं बिल्कुल.
नहीं तो हरियाणवी में बोलूँगी तो यही बोलूँगी कि ये सिर्फ हमारी छोरियों की कुश्ती की कहानी ना है. ये कहानी हमारे समाज के विचारों की, सोच की, जिससे हमने दंगल लड़ना है और जीतना है.
क्या बात है. Fantastic. Alright, so Sakshi, Tanwar, huge pleasure to have you on Bollywood Nama. Thank you very much. You'd like to say something to your fan on Facebook to just sign off?
Guys, though I can't promise you that I'll be on social media, but thank you so much for all your love and your blessings. Without your love and blessings, I would not have been here. So, thank you so much.
Great. So that's all we have from Bollywood Nama with Sakshi Tanwar. Thank you very much. And looking forward to Dangal, as I think almost everyone is, and looking forward to much more stuff from you in Bollywood as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
That's all we have from Bollywood Nama.